Imec owner candidate board associations 110. Of course, in order to be a pope, perhaps you need to be Augustine or Jesuit or Franciscan, and perhaps they manage all these to cover which is going to be the next one or not, who knows. But same things happens within associations. If you do have really some support from others, then you can become a dictator. No one apart from those groups will be ever, hey president, yeah, well, what if really we do study economic freedom within Imec and look after how much grants we provide to India, to Philippines? Why we discriminate Panama, Venezuela, Spain, Africa? Why we believe that we can really provide grants here and there? Why we cannot really look at cutting intermediary costs like governments? 15% the wages in the wage scales are for different governments. Yes, my late father did make those enlistment contracts back 70 years ago. I am here born to amend that and erase those bureaucracies and costs. How much is that? 2.4 billion per year. Is that sufficient to inform Imec that someone must report about how much cost savings, same as Tosh in USA, we should have within Imec a department of Imec efficiency? Do OIE, yes, do it and report every month how much we're cutting sheep owners grants, how much we're cutting sheep owners gross and net wages, how much we can really improve the maritime industry. Why? Because shore will follow. Economic transparency, economic freedom is here. We see it everywhere, and why not start within Imec really knowing that the best advantage we have is the agreements, the enlistment contracts, seafarers employment agreements, we have the agency agreements, the crew management agreements. British law has the best systems, but it has the worst also. Keynes died too young, and really we should cut all the grants, we should cut all the bureaucracy, we should cut 2.4 billion per year, we should cut many things, and the first thing you must do is put an owner within the board, because none of the others are owners. I am owner for 4 generations. So please, think about it. The 5th generation is your vote. Thank you, bye.